So my eufy camera is still up there at the moment, and it has been working very well, especially since we're getting towards Crimbo now and the days are very short. Still charging up perfectly. So I've been having a lot of trouble with this particular doorbell here. Don't know who makes it, but that's one of the problems, is you can take it off really easily now. Every time I try to, well, someone answers the door or someone rings the doorbell, I can't get to the app. It keeps chucking me out of the app. It's basically really annoying me. So I was so impressed with the eufy beast behind me. I've got myself a couple of eufy doorbells that I thought I'd install for you today on Plumber Parts. Now I know some of you are going to say this ain't related, but you're wrong, because sometimes I get stuff delivered by Screwfix, Amazon, and a lot of other different companies, right? And I don't want to miss out on those things. A couple of weeks ago, I was having Sunday roast with the fam. Someone knocked on the door, rung the doorbell. I didn't know who it was. It was someone coming around to doorstep me to do a job. Don't ever do that to a plumber. I was most upset. So from now on, I'm going to be able to look on an app that lets me in, so I can find out who it is. So let's get this doorbell done, and we'll also pop to my studio as well and whack one up on there. Let's go. The one I'm fitting at my house has live video call, dual mode battery, or can be wired into one doorbell, and the wired mode supports 24/7 recording. The one I'm fitting at the studio has dual cameras head to toe, so I can see when deliveries are being made there. And it also has a dual mode battery or wired, but it doesn't come with 24/7 recording. Have a little look, see what we got in the box. Oh, sweet, sweet as a nut. Look at that. Oh, baby. This actually has, let's just lift this up. I'm not going to look at the instructions at all. An SD card slot in there, so it has an SD card that can go in there. But the good thing about that is then I don't have to worry about buying storage online, which drives me mad. Let's hope I've got one in it, shall I? That feels like there's going to be something in that. Comment below if you open all your boxes like this as well. Oh, hello. Right, so we've got a little charging cable. So these are for when you actually want to plug this into mains power, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm going to have mine just off the battery as is. And also then you can plug it in to a chime as well. So if you've got an internal chime that's already there as part of the old system, because you're removing an old standard doorbell, you'll be able to do that with these. And then also you've got little removery bits and bobs. I'm probably not going to use them because I'm just going to screw this up to the wall. It's going to be a very simple changeover. Right, in you go. Locked in. Battery. Back in. Beautiful. Banging into the old eufy app. Devices, new device, video doorbell. Point the camera towards the QR code located on the back. Connect with Wi-Fi, press the sync button till you hear a beep and this button begins flashing blue. We will generate a QR code for the Wi-Fi connection. Please use your doorbell to scan the code on your phone.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network.
Whoa, that's pretty nuts, isn't it? Connecting, please wait a minute. That's quite impressive, isn't it?
Setup was successful.
There it is. Updating, it will take about 5 minutes. Bloody hell, 5 minutes. It's about 3 minutes longer than I usually take. All your recordings will be stored locally with military grade encryption. Can you believe it? Before installation, please make sure the battery is inserted into the device. You can also charge the battery to ensure it gets enough power. I already do that with my current ring. I haven't actually got a wire that goes out to it, so I'm used to just bringing it in periodically to charge it up. It's one of them things. How do you plan to power your video doorbell? I'm going to go battery only, but as you can see, you can go wired. Find a good mounting spot. Okay, well, we'll do that now. Ah, everything is so cold. I've got any, oh. If I have got any holes here, I'll cover them up with a little bit of X-Pro silicone. Please don't bring all the paint off. Oh, that's good. Fortunately, I have still got quite a lot of that paint laying about, so that's good. Yeah, what a great job. I hate that one. Right, and then I think this is slits in the top there, like that. Human alert doorbell, video doorbell. So we should be able to look out there now. Coming up to the final furlong, we've got Sing a Song of Sixpence, who's up there for 66 at the front of the moment. So there you go. And I get full recording of that the whole time. There I am, there's my front door as well, van, all the rest of it. Press the button. Let's come out of it. I just want to see. This is the important bit. How quick does it work? Wow, call from the doorbell. Oh my God. It works straight away. Oh yeah, I've got your fan mail here. Do you want me to put it in the box? It's so heavy. Well, there you go. That one's done. Let's go and put the other one up at the studio. So, the eufy security video doorbell E340. Look inside this little baby. I've got to say, I think unboxings online should be more like this. Just go for it. So firstly, I'm just going to put my sticky sticks, because this one I can't screw. I'm not allowed to screw in outside. They get the ump. So this one I've just got to stick on the wall. But it doesn't mean it's quite a simple install. Don't have to drill any holes or anything like that. But this will just stick on there. And I know what some of you are going to say. Oh, if someone like nicks it, well, they've nicked it, but I'll know it was them, wouldn't I? Because it will be recorded. There I am at the other one. There it is. Connect with the Wi-Fi. Big G Studios. That's my studio. Let me get that in. Ah! So this is where we record my interview channel. So yeah, Life in Deep's filmed in here. That's where we do lots of stuff. Oh, we've got to press the sync button. That's flashing blue.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
That is cool, isn't it? Ah! Wish you have it on there. I'm quite pleased about that. And the great thing about the dual bits as well is you can see what people have put down in front of the camera, whereas most of those you can't see that. But this little lower camera here, you can see it. And another thing I like about it is we've got two little lights on the bottom that light up, so I can actually see what key I'm getting out when I'm trying to unlock the door. So lots of extra little things they've thought of there. Max, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, boy. That's really good. I'm really impressed with that. I know it's going to happen. Once everyone knows about that, they're going to start ringing it.
Mid interview.
Yeah. So there you go, two beautiful doorbells installed. Absolutely nothing to do whatsoever with plumbing, but I thought you'd just like to see it. If you want to see some plumbing videos, then how about you watch this one here, where I fixed the dreadful problem of drilling through the floor and hitting someone's pipe in the ground. It was horrific. Check it out now and see you soon. Bloody van keeps locking me out all the time. I might have to start calling it Emily. No, that's the car keys.